Inqilab Zindabad, Jai Bhim, Lal Salam. My revolutionary greetings and Lal Salam to all of the friends, comrades and students who have elected the Left United panel with a huge margin in all of the school councils and in the central panel. My revolutionary greetings to the Election Commission that ensured that no interference of the administration, the DOS and GRC will be applicable in the JNUSU election. My revolutionary greetings to the students who ensured that an independent EC will lead the union, will lead the campus and elect the Left Unity panel. From this forum of JNUSU, my heart goes out to the people who are fighting in Manipur, the people who are fighting in Ladakh, the people who are fighting against genocide and imperial forces in Palestine. My solidarity with Umar Khalid, with Sharjeel Imam, with Mehran Haider and Gulfisha Fatima and other political prisoners who are behind bars today just because they had the guts to speak against the Modi government. They had the guts to take up the constitutional right to dissent. Our Vice President was given Manuvadi feudalistic comments by the ABVP and they had asked our Vice President, what is your auqat? And with a margin of more than 1,000 votes, the students of this campus have shown in the Vice President post what is the auqat of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, what is the auqat of hooligans of RSS, what is the auqat of the children of Savarkar and Golwarkar, and what is the strength of the students who are coming through reservation, the coming from quota system, the students of this campus who are the descendants of Nangeli, the descendants of Ambedkar, the descendants of Phule and Fatima have shown to the ghouls, to the RSS, to the idea of Hindu Rashtra that JNU exists as an idea of public education. JNU exists with the legacy of resistance. JNU exists with the legacy of social justice, and that is not going to go away even if central government, the Rekha Gupta and the police come down to this land of JNU. The students will resist. The students have resisted and the students have etched in history. The students of this campus have etched in history the victory of the United Left panel of the students of this campus. My solidarity with the workers of this country who are fighting to save their livelihood. My solidarity with the farmers of this country who are fighting for minimum support price. This victory of the students of this campus is also a victory of all the farmers of this country, all the workers of this country, all the poor of this country, because 268 rupees exists as an idea of public education, as an idea of dignity for people coming from marginalized section, be socio-economic, marginal at least. Students can come here and it's ensured an aspiration, a dream has been safeguarded in this campus so that any student coming from any village of South India or North India or Northeast India can dream about attaining public education, and JNU exists as a dream. JNU exists as a dignity, and the students of this campus has once again shown that the slogans of social justice and gender justice has been etched in each and every student of this campus. The media was asking me, why are you bringing in the flags of Palestine? Why are you raising the slogans for Umar Khalid? I want to tell my friends in media and everyone else who's watching in different corners of this country that JNU exists not just for the walls of JNU. JNU exists not just for the students of this campus. JNU exists because boys have always raised from JNU for the marginalized section, for the minority, for the women of this campus. I thank all the students who have voted the Left United panel into the union, and with that responsibility, I would like to say that it is also the responsibility of the union to improve upon the idea that we call JNU. It is the time that we improve the idea of JNU and we make it safe for people coming from gender minorities. It is important that we make the campus accessible for the PWD students of this campus. It is important that we make the campus safe for people coming from SC/ST communities, and this union will lead the fight against RSS will lead the fight against neo-fascism, will lead the fight against Hindu Rashtra, will prove that this united strength of the student body will once again defeat any agenda, any anti-national narrative that they're throwing against us. The real anti-nationals are sitting in the thrones of this country, and the students of this campus, the union of this campus, the united strength of the student body of this campus will once again defeat any forces that is trying to ring the deathbell of public education. JNU stands as an idea of public education, and JNU will always stand as an idea of public education, and JNU will take birth in every state of this campus. My Lal Salam and revolutionary greetings to comrades in Pondicherry who have been elected to the union. My revolutionary greetings to all of the students across the country who are fighting against NEP, who are fighting against FYUP, who's fighting against privatization and corporatization. We, the union, extend our revolutionary greetings and solidarity. We will stand shoulder to shoulder with you and ensure that the Modi Sarkar is defeated. Any attack on public education will not be tolerated, will not be tolerated in JNU and nowhere in this country. Inqilab Zindabad, Jai Bhim, Lal Salam.